license through to your new address.
Thank you very much, Rachel. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, Hitesh, congratulations once again. And you passed your driving test today in your first attempt and with only one minor mistake. Well done, well done. And would you like to share your experience with the other students and with general public, please?
Yeah, so we did most of the routes. We practiced quite a lot, and then it was very useful for me. So most of the routes that she took, I was quite aware of them. So I was well prepared. Okay, this is what's going to come. So thanks a lot for that. The way he taught me. And I had one minor, so there was a hesitation. Near a
What was
zebra
that?
crossing.
What was the minor?
So it was a hesitation near the zebra crossing.
Oh,
and,
zebra crossing, yeah.
and then the person didn't come in, and then that's it. But then I waited too long. But then so I had a minor for that. But besides that, it was she was quite happy with the drive.
Yeah,
And
that's what she mentioned at the end of the anyway. It was very good drive, yes. Yeah. So you was fully trained and you watched all the videos on YouTube as well, and that helped you a lot, to be honest.
Absolutely,
So because you watched all the 26 test routes so far, I uploaded on my YouTube, and you mentioned me that you've been watching all of them one or twice, which is very good.
I think the videos are really helpful because you know that when you're familiar with the place, you know what's gonna come next, so you're a bit prepared. So especially there are some hotspots you're aware of. Okay, what's gonna come when?
Yeah.
So I think watching the videos, all 26 of them, and then a lot more videos, are very helpful.
Very good.
Thanks a lot. And if I've passed and a lot of other people have passed, it's because of him, Rajesh. He's the best, I would say. We can find here.
I mean, people are watching the videos and they're just sending me messages, appreciation message. That's like basically the reward for us. I mean, we're not getting much out of it, but when they send appreciation message, I get happy, to be honest. Well done. Anyway, so last piece of advice again for every other student who passed the test, I always tell them next couple of years you got to be very careful in terms of like points. Okay, don't accumulate any points on your license, because if you're gonna have 6 points on your license in next 2 years, okay, so then you have to do your theory and practical again, and you have to come back to me again, and obviously it's really hard to find the test dates. Okay, so make sure do not drive without insurance any other car. Okay, always drive the car with insurance, and always check the tires. Okay, there should be no cut and bulges on the tires. Okay? And on top of that, what else is there? Okay, the mobile phone. Okay, make sure don't use the mobile while you're driving. Okay, you can use a hands-free but not handheld mobile. Yeah. Okay. Other than that, careful. Okay, generally, don't do over speeding as well. Okay, because if you do over speeding, you'll get 3 points, and if you do twice, you'll get 6 points. And make sure if you go on the motorways nowadays, there are some smart cameras. Okay, on the motorways, you might not be able to see them. Okay, so there's average speed. Okay, on most of the motorways now. Okay, so make sure never ever go over 70, and whatever is written on the gantry, make sure you do that. Yeah, sometimes people are doing over speeding and you see them, they're doing fast driving, and you think that why I'm driving slow, because they're driving fast. Obviously they're gonna get the points. All right, so careful about the driving. Thank you very much for that. Yeah, well done.